Hey guys, and welcome to my second video guys on this channel. And today's video I'm playing Slime Simulator, one of the new games that is I guess this updated. It's not really updated, but just it's just that it's how to say that? It's like a new game, and Finders Keepers are also a new game on updated as well. And sorry guys, my game has been glitching from just now. It didn't show my rank when I'm really upgraded to something, and when I was playing Cursed Iron, my game was already glitching because I don't know what happened, but and yesterday night after filming, I was playing with my cousin and she was recording. I don't even know really she's recording now because she was talking to me. She was talking to me at the chat. I think she was recording, and I was also playing with my brother. And then the whole game glitched. Like, it didn't show my rank at all. You guys don't know that. And then after that, I've really upgraded, but I didn't really got the thing on top of our head, like that. And then after that, yeah, my whole game was glitched, so I was like, no, just continue playing. I don't really care about this. I don't know. It's like legit, and I play like most of the time. My game gets glitched, so like, you know, I already know that my game is gonna be glitched. So yeah, it's not a surprise, I guess. And maybe on my next game, I feel like I'm just gonna record fun run, I guess. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna play Roblox because there's new games and there's bot simulator. Like, I never really check out every single game, so yeah. And every time when I get something about it, like someone messaged me or called me that's real bad, so I can't really know what at the middle. I mean, like, if you guys don't understand what I'm talking, I mean, like, at the middle of the video while I'm recording, I usually get calls. I don't know why, but usually my parents or my cousin call me, and then after that I told my cousin I had to end the call because I wanted to record. Then she's like, okay, never mind, it's okay. Then after that she was editing her video, and then after that halfway again someone called me, which is my father, and then she asked me whether I ate breakfast or not, but whatever. I said I'm playing my game. Is this like a portrait or something? How come I can't get this? You need 100 to get. Did I just purchase it? There's new things. Oh my gosh. They are like these green blobs. Oh my gosh, that's so epic, but whatever. Finally, I have like a new thing, I guess. So I'm gonna, I guess, upgrade my back or upgrade my gun. I don't really understand what is this. So, oh wait, my place are really at the other side of the place. Gonna deposit it. Look at that! I have a new one. Okay, so right now I don't wanna unlock the place, but I really don't know how much is it. 5K? You kidding me? Oh my gosh, I really have to get in this. I'm gonna save up my money. I'm not gonna buy any upgrades yet, so yeah. And I hope no one calls me, so I don't have to record again and again. So basic backpack. Got this adventure backpack. Let's see the backpack. That wizard backpack, it's on point, boy. What's the last one? Oh, these all use Robux. That's cool. This is the last one, the volcano, and it's 199. Every of the bag on the last one using Robux is 199, which is quite cool, I guess. It's not on price point yet. And now we're gonna go to the gun shop and see what's the last one. What? This is the... Oh gosh. So, I think there's so many. Wait. This is the last one, which is called Prestige Slurper Tree. A cool name, you got the and now I guess I'm just gonna wait for my coins or whatever you call it to go up so that I can just get into that place, that random place that we found. Then bang, look at this. Are they like great hits or what? I'm not, don't judge me. I think there are flowers on top of them. Hey, why can't I get that? So we're gonna just slurp everything up. Oh, there's an egg on the floor. Why is there so many food on the floor? Is it for the slime? Slime buys food. Slime eats food. Wow, congrats. That's very nice, I guess. Is there a mushroom? Okay, that's very interesting. So, we're just gonna get all of this. Is there one more? Yep. Come here. So we're gonna deposit our backpack. And then we're gonna see our pets. Why can't I tap on the pets? Come on. Are you serious? Okay, there you go. And then I got this guy already, right? How come? Oh my gosh! I legit fell off the chair I was sitting on. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry you guys heard that. Yeah. So these are all the slime that cost Robux. And then this costs 79 Robux. Yeah. This is called a red slime. And then this is the king slime for 359. Then this is the crystal slime for 399. It's so cute. Last one, oh my gosh, I like that colors. It's a color combo, boy. And with Zonos, it's a fact about me. I usually keep slime at home, but I'm like obsessed with them. They're like so satisfying to play with, and like those poke noises, like they're on point. So we're gonna get this random blob piece. This legit, the game, the thing, like this slime thingy, it legit looks like the blob, and then it looks like the same blob simulator, but this is a new game, so yeah. If I don't really, I think I told you guys this, but whatever. I don't really know how to play. I was halfway playing on, what's it called? Finders Keepers, and I did don't know how to play that game, so don't judge me. And then another one is also I was never mind. I forgot what I wanted to talk. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to press the subscribe button. And if you guys want to get notified every time when I post a new video, make sure to press the bell button just right beside the subscribe button after you press the subscribe button. And if you guys want me to play other games, just comment down below in the comments and say like, maybe you can play my top rated game. If you guys have watched my first video, you guys should know all my top rated games that I usually play, but I don't usually play Free Fire that much, so yeah. And I'm just gonna collect this random block. So I'm almost getting to 5k. I just need 2k more. Then after that, bang, you can go inside that thing, whatever that portal is. Oh my gosh, there's legit another portal. Let's look at that. Wait, give me a second. I don't know what to do. So you're gonna get up here. And then you guys can you squeeze in here? Or am I too fat? Oh, I squeezed it. You see, after you go inside this random portal thingy, there's another portal. It's red and green, which looks like a watermelon portal. Don't judge. I'm very weird. Okay, so I need 1k more, and then bang, you can go inside the next portal. So we're just gonna collect all of this. I hope I get enough money very soon after I collect all of this lobbies or slime. Guys, I guess you guys call it slime because that's the team name, I guess. I'm gonna deposit stuff. Let's see others. Okay, this guy has only the blue one. This guy has the same as mine. Oh my gosh, is that why you get inside? It's so cute. So this guy has one more than me. This guy, I don't know, he has nothing. That one's mine, and this is no one's one. So we're gonna try to get some more slime before we get inside that Icee place. So we need 500 more, and until we get to the Icee place. So I'm gonna just get every single block that I could find. Come here, blobbies, come here. Don't you dare escape from me. So I'm gonna jump out here, and then just go to here and get this grapey thingy. I don't know what those called. So yeah, I'm gonna just get this. So gonna deposit our back. We can buy the Porsche already at 5k. Where is it? Oh, never mind, I found it. Look at those cuties. Oh my gosh. Your gun is... Are you serious? Are you... Gosh. I don't even think I have enough money yet to buy this. But the others. So mine is Super Slurper. We need a Gulper, which is 500 coins, and I only have 300 plus, which is, I'm just gonna wait until I can buy it. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna wait until I can buy it, and then we're just gonna, you know what, we should start slurping some of this first before we go. Okay, I have 500 coins right now. And maybe sometimes I can record my cousin. I don't know, because she said her mom allow her, like when my parents are not home, I guess like they went to work or something. I can go to their house. My parents will send me to their house, but I don't really know whether my parents will allow that, because usually they will allow me to go on sleepover. The last time I went to her house, I went for a sleepover. It was very fun. I was playing with my baby cousin, my toddler dog. So we're gonna deposit our bag, and then ouch, I got stuck. Wait, where's the shop? Oh, it's down here. So we okay, I can only buy this scalpel, which is for 500 coins. We can purchase that, and then thank you. We can just see whether we can buy anything down here. Haha. 1 million coins. Are you kidding me? How can I save that much? This is 1,000. What? How can I buy that for 1,000? Right. So we're gonna explore this thingy. Why do you run so fast? So I don't know. Can I find it? Oh my gosh, you're the epic crow. We're gonna get this. It's like Pet Simulator as well, because they have portals like Slime Simulator and Pet Simulator, like bang. But then it's just that this doesn't look like Pet Simulator. They are slime or blobs. I don't know. They look like blobs. Is this guy's statue, or can I can't slap him up. My gulper. What is this? What the heck is that? Is it meat or what? Oh my gosh. I've won double jump games dollar bills award. Let's see. Oh, 100,000 gold. What? How can I get 100,000 gold? Oh my gosh. It's like so many. Oh, this is the same statue guide I was talking about. So we're gonna deposit this and slime cartridge. Upgrade pen. Wait. Oh, I have to upgrade my pen. Can I deposit now? Oh my gosh, I can't. What happened to my phone screen? There we go. Look at that. I have now 3 pets. I'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 pets to discover more, because altogether there should be 14 pets to discover. Not but I have 3 already, so that means I only have 11 more pets to discover. And if you guys want to see me playing more of this game, because this game is quite fun to me, you should give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.